Welcome back, my little ones, in session 1 of English Literature, chapter 3. A Smile. Tell me, children, what is this boy doing? Yes, he is smiling. Can you tell me, when do we smile? Yes, we smile when we are happy. This boy is also very happy, and that is why he is smiling. And smile creates wonders. A little smile makes you beautiful. आप बोलो, आपका फेस स्माइल करते हुए अच्छा लगता है कि सैड अच्छा लगता है? यस, स्माइल करते हुए. So children, today we will learn a beautiful poem about a smile. First, let's sing that poem. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. मज़ा आया है ना? Now let's learn this poem in detail. Let's read first line. A smile is quite a funny thing. Tell me, children, how do you find the cartoons of Mickey Mouse funny? They make you laugh, है ना? Funny means making you laugh. In the same way, स्माइल भी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको हंसा देती है, और जो चीज़ हमको हंसाती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फनी. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. इट wrinkles up your face. Do you know, children, when we smile, we get a lot of lines on our face. Those lines are called wrinkles. Means जब हम स्माइल देते हैं तो हमारे फेस पर जो छोटी छोटी लाइंस बनती है ना, उसको wrinkles बोलते हैं. Let's read another line. And when it's gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. Means, can we see the smile when it is gone? Don't you think the smile is hiding somewhere? Do you know that place? No, we don't know. That is a secret hiding place. Secret means something kept hidden. कुछ छुपा के रखना. और स्माइल भी जाने के बाद कहीं छुप जाती है, और वो जगह इतनी सीक्रेट है कि हम भी नहीं देख सकते हैं, है ना? नेक्स्ट लाइन इज बट फार more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. Wonderful means extremely good. It means स्माइल इतनी अच्छी चीज़ है कि वो बहुत कुछ करती है. वो क्या क्या है? Let's find out. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. Means, if you give a smile to someone, you will get smile in return. सो कितने स्माइल हुई? 2 मीन्स हमारी एक स्माइल बहुत सारे लोगों के फेस पे स्माइल ला सकती है. A smile is a wonderful thing. It can do magic. You smile at someone and he smiles at you. Here our poem gets over. But tell me, children, what have you learned from this poem? Yes, always smile and be happy. So, children, let's learn some new words which we came across while reading the poem. Number 1, funny. Funny means thing which makes you laugh. Number 2, wrinkles. Wrinkles means lines which appear on your face when you smile or laugh. Number 3, secret means kept, something hidden. Fourth is wonderful. Wonderful means amazing, something very good. Fifth is hiding place, छुपने की जगह. And last one is smile. Smile आप सबको पता है. चलो, give me a smile. See, you all look so cute. After new words, let's learn some rhyming words which have similar ending sounds. Number 1, face, place. Number 2, you, too. And number 3, smile, mile. Now children, you all have learnt what are rhyming words. So let's do one textual exercise related to the rhyming word my. The following words have an I sound that rhymes with the word my. But here one letter I is missing. If we want that all these words will rhyme with the word my, we have to add that letter I in the blank. Let's do the first one. SMILE, smile. Second, KITE, kite. Number 3, MICE, mice. And last one is LINE, line. So here letter I rhymes with the word my. This way you also fill letter I in the blanks which is given in your textbook. Children, we have learnt some new words, right? So let's make sentence using those words. Number 1 is wrinkle. Wrinkle means small lines on your face. My grandmother has wrinkles on her face. Let's move on to next word. Smile. A smile makes everyone happy. You also learnt how to make sentences using some words, right? So try to make your own sentences using these words. Now children, let's talk about something very interesting. Have you noticed when I use the word talk, the spelling is TALK, but I have not used L, talk, right? I said talk. तो यहाँ पे जो L है वो silent है. So while speaking that word, we will not pronounce the letter L. In the same way, walk. Here also L is silent. Then more. ई का साउंड क्या होता है? ए. यहाँ पे भी ई साइलेंट है, तो हमको मोर ऐसे ही बोलना है। फिर रैप, डब्ल्यू साइलेंट है, तो हम व्रैप नहीं बोलेंगे, हम रैप बोलेंगे, राइट। इन द सेम वे जोक, जोक में भी ई साइलेंट है, सो हम जोक ई का साउंड नहीं बोलेंगे। टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, let's see some more examples for these words. Let's read some sight words given in these boxes. Let's read them. First is trunk, then sunk, and then junk. These are U sound words. Now sink, think, pink are I sound words. Then wrinkle, regal, and right. In the next column, worry, work, and wonderful. Children, tell me, ये 4 कॉलम में से कौन से कॉलम में साइलेंट वर्ड्स हैं? Yes, in the third column. In the column 3, all the words start with letter W, and W sounds W, though we pronounce the word like wriggle, wrinkle and write. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे W साइलेंट है। इसके लिए ऐसे वर्ड्स में we should know how to pronounce that kind of words. Children, I hope you must have understood this concept. Before we end our session, let's do masti. This masti will bring smile on your faces. Let's sing this rhyme with different actions. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. Come on, children, do all these actions. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know it, say ha ha ha. If you are happy and you know it, say ha ha ha. If you are happy and you know it, do all four. If you are happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap your hands. Nod, nod your head. Stamp, stamp your feet. And say ha ha ha. I know that you all have enjoyed this poem. How do you feel? Happy. और देखो हैप्पी होने से आपके फेस पे स्माइल आ गई. So read this rhyme again and again. Here we are ending our session. It's time for homework. Trace all these words like this in your textbook. So complete your homework and be ready for our next session. And always keep smiling. Why? Because a smile is the shortest distance between two people. So keep smiling. We will meet in our next session with all your smiley faces. Bye. Take care.